Hello, my name is Paul Mann. I'm the Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of ASP Isotopes, registered on Nasdaq under the ticker code ASPI. We enrich isotopes, which are a very special form of chemical used to enable things like nuclear medicine and nuclear fuel, as well as next generation industries such as semiconductors, superconducting materials, and that kind of things. We have built 3 manufacturing plants in South Africa over the last 3 years, and these plants should all turn commercial during 2026. Our goal over the next several years is to build more plants in the United States to make sure the United States has secure supplies of these critical materials, which are historically supplied by Russia. For more information, please take a look at our website. That's www.aspisotopes.com, and we look forward to receiving any questions you may have. As a reminder, I'm Paul Mann from ASPIsotopes.com. Thank you very much.